Hello everyone. So today's tutorial is how to connect Node.js with MySQL, and we are trying to retrieve data from MySQL and show it in the browser by using the Node.js. Let's see how we can do it. First, create a folder, uh, any folder that you want. So I'll set it as MySQL, and now I open that folder and install first Node.js. And then install Express. Finally, we'll install MySQL. MP. So we install MySQL 2. Right, so our setup is done. Let's go to the next step. So I have already installed MySQL in my computer, and then I have created a schema called Tech Unboxed and create a table called employee, right? And then certain data is inserted to this table. So we are trying to get the data from this table and display in the web browser by using Node.js. Right, so first I'll create a JavaScript file called db to get the MySQL connection done. So then I say db.js. So already I have compiled the code, so I'll copy it. So here I connect MySQL, and then this is my database localhost, and database name is TechOnBox. So then this is the code that you can use to connect the database. Right, so then I create a front end file as well. So I'll create index.js, and again I written the code, so I paste it. It's simple. So then express, then I require the DB, and then I try to get the data, select all from employee, and then I try to start it from this local host, and the port is 3000. Now it's time to run the code, so I'll run it. Use the correct debugger. Right, it is started running on this one. So let's see on the web browser how this data will be displayed. So in the web browser, if you type localhost port 3000, so as you can see now, we can see the data that is coming from the MySQL. So this is how we can connect MySQL with Node.js. So let's try more example in the coming tutorials. Thank you.